Sure. Well, let's look at what the two companies are, what qualities they have and what they can do when you bring them together. I think that from
Yeah.
Sasken's side, the end-to-end product engineering approach, and
Yes.
you take that with Trustonic's embedded system and secure enclave expertise, then you create a number of assurances in a project that you wouldn't have had in the past. Uh, Firstly, I think that the teamwork between Sasken and Trustonic would bring security front of mind. This is something I don't think
Hmm.
that would have been there in the past. For us, we have this secure by design, which is really a mantra by both companies. It's always there and something that we repeat. Um, Secondly, you would get the benefit of the industry certifications, the standards that both companies comply with. That
Hmm.
brings a very high level of quality. So we've got security by design and quality. And thirdly, I would say the ecosystem that we bring as a pair. So we both have extensive ecosystem of trusted partnerships with companies that we have built separately and that we can bring together then as a team. So we deal with every level of the supply chain, from silicon chip vendors to OEMs and everyone in between. So people like OS vendors, hypervisor providers, software service providers, and hardware component
Hmm.
providers. Everyone. We talk with every level of the supply chain. It means we've got agreements in place already with other security-focused companies who will work with
Yeah.
us, and we can provide hardened versions of the software that they're providing. Examples like in IDPS or OTA providers, they might have uh, s- software services that are software-backed security. And if you couple them
Yeah.
with our Trusted OS, for example, then you get the hardware-backed version of what they're providing. And so without our access to those partners, then you mightn't be able to achieve the same level of security for the same types of service.
Hmm.
So I think that
Hmm.
the two of us coming together can vastly reduce the risk on project delivery, ultimately can bring down the risk on not getting compliance when you take our certified trusted OS and the secure services. Uh, Incorporating all of these things at the start of the project through the secure by design approach, and then executing with Sasken's end-to-end product engineering approach, which will take the project through development, testing, validation, ultimately certification and type approval, and therefore bringing it all together is a seamless project experience, low risk and high quality.